How to remove text from video in InShot. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser. We will be using simply launch this. Wait for it to load and then once it is loaded, what you will have to do is create an account, or if you already have an account, simply log in. Then go to the menu bar right over here, then go to AI tools, AI video, and then go to remove object from AI. Sorry, remove object from video and upload a video. And then after uploading the video, you will get an option of removing the text, or simply select text right over here and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.